Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a 75-year-old American woman that has gone missing in Jamaica. And it says 72-year-old Nancy Hardy of Hamest, Massachusetts, in the United States of America has been reported missing since Saturday, November 24th. Police said the woman, who is Caucasian and about 163 centimeters, 5 feet 4 inches tall, was staying in Phase 3 Whitehall, Negril, Westmoreland while in the country. Reports from the Negril police are that about 10 a.m. someone went to visit Miss Hardy and could not locate her. After several failed attempts to contact her, a report was made to the police. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Nancy Hardy is being asked to contact the Negril police at 876-957-4268, and that's 876-957-4268. Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. And she's not the first person that have gone missing in Jamaica recently. Siobhan Wignall was a Jamaican that went to Jamaica to visit family. He comes from Connecticut, New York, and he went missing. He still haven't been found. Another man from Canada went missing in Rose Hall, and he still have not come up missing. I don't know what's happening to these people, if they're venturing out of their all-inclusive hotels or they are just unaware of how unsafe Jamaica is at this point. But it's very disheartening that this woman probably is on vacation. I'm not sure, it didn't say, but I'm guessing she's on vacation, went to Jamaica, and now she is missing. I don't know if she have Parkinson's or Alzheimer's or something like that, and she ventured off and is lost and don't know how to return home or something. The possibilities are endless for her, and the amount of stuff that can happen to her is very, very dangerous. And I hope they find her as soon as possible. So be very, very careful, especially when you're older in age, going to Jamaica, because there's craziness that happens. The older people, they can't run, they can't hide and save themselves, they can't fight. So if somebody tries to do something to them, they are vulnerable, and that's who they have been targeting recently: older people and children. And it's sad, but we have to find solutions and we have to find ways to prevent this. So if you know anything about her, if you've seen her, anything at all, please contact the police. Please keep her family and her in her prayers and hope that she is found safe, because there are people that have been found safe in Jamaica, contrary to popular belief. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.